Namaste everyone. In the previous video, we discussed about excretion in plants, and also we discussed about the metabolites in plants. So in plants, there are two types of metabolites. One is primary metabolites, another one is secondary metabolites. The primary metabolites such as carbohydrates, fats and proteins not only helps to the plants but also useful to all animals in their normal growth and development. On the other hand, the secondary metabolites won't help in normal growth and development of the plant, but they help in other functions like self protection and wound healing. Man found the uses of these secondary metabolites. Some of these metabolites, that means secondary metabolites, used as medicines, and some of these used in different industries. These secondary metabolites generally classified into alkaloids, tannins, resins, gums and latexes. Now let us see how alkaloids help us. Alkaloids are nitrogenous byproducts and these are highly poisonous, right? And these alkaloids stored in different parts of the plant body. These alkaloids used in a medicinal system known as Ayurveda. Now let us see some common alkaloids in plants and their uses. Look at this plant. Its name is cinchona. From the bark of this plant, an alkaloid is derived, that is quinine. So this quinine is used as anti-malarial drug. That means in the treatment of malaria, this quinine is used. Have you ever seen this plant? Its name is tobacco. So the leaves of the tobacco contain an alkaloid known as nicotine. This nicotine used as insecticide. That means to kill insects, this nicotine is used. Look at this beautiful plant. Its name is opium. This plant's fruit contains an alkaloid known as morphine. Along with that, cocaine also present. So these morphine and cocaine used as painkiller. This is called Rauwolfia serpentina. This plant's roots and bark possess an alkaloid known as reserpine. This reserpine used as medicine for snake bite. Can you guess the name of this plant? Yes, it is coffee plant. So the seeds of this plant also contain alkaloid, that is caffeine. So this caffeine used as a stimulant, mainly central nervous system. I think I don't want to mention the name of this plant. You might have seen, right? Yes, this is neem plant. In this plant, all the parts used as a medicine, but mainly the seeds, bark and leaves, they possess an alkaloid known as nimbin. This nimbin acts as antiseptic. Due to this property, nimbin also used in herbal soap industry. Hi guys, you might have seen this plant. I think even you did a cross section of this plant in your lower classes. Can you guess the name of this plant? Yes, this is datura. So the fruits and flowers of datura contain an alkaloid known as scopolamine. This scopolamine used as sedative. That means it induces the sleep and decreases excitement. This is tridax. From the flowers of this plant, an alkaloid known as pyrethroids are derived. So these pyrethroids act as insecticides. So far we learnt few plants and the alkaloids derived from them, and also uses of that alkaloid we discussed so far. Next, tannins. Some plants such as acacia and acacia. From these plants, a deep brown colored substance is derived from different parts of these plants, and these are known as tannins. These are carbon compounds. These are used in leather industry. That means these tannins helps in conversion of hides into leather, and also some of the tannins used in medicines. Next, resins. So resins are the substances which are secreted by the plants belongs to gymnosperms mainly. These resins used in varnishes, which means to give clear shiny surface to the wood or a metal. So generally carpenter mixes resins with a fluid, then they apply on the wood. So that give shiny clear surface to the wood. Next, gums. So in some plants like neem or acacia, when we cut branches, so a sticky substance oozes out. That is gum. And this gum generally, as we know, it helps in healing in plants. But this is very useful for us as adhesive and also used in preparation of medicines and some food materials. Next, latexes. We know that when we cut some plants, so a milky white substance secreted by them, that is latex. So this latex is stored in special cells called latex cells or latex vessels. Rubber is prepared from the latex of Hevea brasiliensis, that is rubber plant, and from the latex of the fruits and seeds of Jatropha, biodiesel is prepared. From the latex of the plant known as chicle, chewing gum is prepared. This is how man utilizing secondary metabolites of the plants. Hi guys, if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can raise your questions in the comment box. Thank you.